It's 8:36 in the morning, Sunday, March 30th. I'm in Harlingen, Texas. You can see this is away from the Arroyo Colorado. Let me adjust my gimbal here. There's water, trash, all the way up here, and the bank is, the arroyo itself is further down. There's no traffic, not much traffic because it's still early in the morning. I'm going to be showing here again part 2 of the Arroyo Colorado. That's loop 499, which is Head Carry Drive. Right here you can see all the water. It's going to take days for this to recede, to go down. Don't want to get too close. Normally, it's a very heavy current, very strong current. The Arroyo Colorado is here. That's the bank right here. There's the bank. So the arroyo's this area. As you can see, we got so much rain that it's crested. I think the 27-30 feet was what they measured, like an all-time high. I don't know if you can see the current. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in. But it's a very strong current. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to go to Arroyo City, not Arroyo City, Rio Hondo, now that the bridge is open. Right, I'm gonna cut the video here. This is still part of the park, within the park. And you can see the water. Wow, the water level was much higher. Was up to at least another 20 feet upland. So the water level's gone down a lot, but it's still pretty high. I'm gonna end the video here.